Finding a good smartphone on a budget can be tough, but Samsung has some great options under $500 in 2024. These phones give you a good mix of performance and affordability. Samsung has been making reliable phones for a while, and these ones are no exception. Whether you're a casual user or want more from your phone, these Samsung options won't disappoint. They offer impressive features without breaking the bank, making them a top choice for many people. In this video, I have listed 5 Samsung phones under $500, and I'll walk you through the key features of each phone, helping you make an informed decision based on your preferences and requirements. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. If you're in the market for best performance smartphone without breaking the bank, consider this Samsung phone. It's unlocked for all carriers and operates on Android 12 with One UI Core 4.1. The phone supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G technologies, providing versatile connectivity. With a spacious 128GB storage capacity, the Galaxy A34 5G ensures you have ample space for your files. The awesome silver color and a 6.6-inch screen add a touch of style to your device. It works on GSM networks and is suitable for T-Mobile, Mint, and Metro PCS in the USA. The phone's octa-core processor guarantees smooth performance, and its impressive camera setup includes a 48-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 5-megapixel rear configuration and a 13-megapixel front camera. Dual SIM capability and a variety of network bands make it a versatile option for users. Whether you're into gaming, streaming, or everyday use, this Samsung phone offers a reliable and budget-friendly smartphone experience. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A24. It is the best value Samsung phone under $500. This phone, unlocked for all carriers, runs on Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Its 128GB storage capacity and 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate deliver a crisp viewing experience. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi and 4G LTE bands. The device boasts a 50-megapixel main camera with PDAF and OIS, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The 13-megapixel front camera captures clear selfies. The phone's 5,000 mAh battery ensures lasting power, complemented by 25-watt wired charging. This Galaxy phone is a GSM-only device and may not work with CDMA carriers like Verizon or Sprint. For T-Mobile users and MVNOs like Metro, Mint, and Ultra, this international factory unlocked phone offers compatibility. Keep in mind it won't work with AT and T or CDMA carriers. A reliable choice for those seeking affordability without compromising essential features. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A54. Looking for the best reliable Samsung phone under $500? Well, look no further. We got the Samsung phone in the spotlight today. Operating on Android 12 with One UI Core 4.1. This unlocked phone is compatible with T-Mobile, Mint, and Metro PCS in the USA. With a generous 256GB memory storage capacity, you'll have ample space for your data. The 6.4-inch screen provides a decent display, and it operates on 4G cellular technology. Connectivity is covered with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB options. This Samsung Galaxy phone is a GSM 5G plus 4G LTE phone that works globally. It's manufactured by Samsung, ensuring excellent quality. If you're in the market for a reliable phone without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S9. It is my choice for the best compact Samsung phone under $500. This one, unlocked for all carriers, runs on the Android operating system. With a memory storage capacity of 64GB, this phone operates on 4G cellular technology, ensuring reliable connectivity. The 5.8-inch screen provides a decent viewing experience, and its wireless connectivity technology makes it hassle-free. Supporting LTE wireless network technology, the S9 ensures a smooth and efficient mobile experience. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet efficient Samsung option, this is worth considering. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A25. And here comes my top choice for the best overall Samsung phone under $500 in our list. It's unlocked for all carriers, runs on Android 14 with One UI, and supports 5G technology. The 6.5-inch screen offers a superfluid display, making your content look crisp at 800 nits brightness, thanks to the Vision Booster feature. Now when it comes to capturing moments, this Galaxy phone has you covered with its high-resolution triple-lens camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera for detailed shots. Worried about storage? Don't be. With 128 GB of internal storage and expandable options up to 1 TB, you can keep all your photos, videos, and files easily accessible. But that's not all. Get ready for a premium audio experience with the all-new stereo speakers. Whether you're into music, movies, or other content, this delivers sensational sound wherever you are. Wrapping up our guide to the top Samsung phones under $500 in 2024, we've explored some great options. Want an awesome smartphone without spending too much? Check the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found our advice helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your tech-loving friends, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy hunting for your perfect Samsung phone.